What's good, everybody? It's your boy TK. I'm back again with a banger. Yo, guys, you know what? Today I've got a very interesting story, yeah? So, you know what happened? I got 3 kids on the way from 3 different women. Shit. I told you, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Now, I'm a bit, I need advice from you guys, yeah? So, I got them pregnant on the same day, 30 minutes apart. Yeah, so and there's high chances that they're going to give birth on the same day. So does it mean that I'm going to have triplets? You tell me on the comment section whether it's going to be triplets or what. I told you, don't play with me. It's a boy TK. What up? Banger. All right, so guys, today I've got a Vauxhall Marker 2016. All right, it's going to be another quick in, quick out. You heard? All right, so it's just front brake pads. All right, so let's do this, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, comment, and subscribe for more content. All right, I'm gonna tell you on the next video what happened to my baby mamas. 3 on the way takes the number to 26. Yes, sir.